Hey guys, today I'm going to be creating this look right here. This is an ultra glam summer look and I've used only affordable makeup products in this. Each of the product as well as the tools are under 500 rupees. So yes, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I really liked how it ended up. So yeah, please keep on watching. I'm going to start off by taking the Jeva rose water. I'm going to spritz it all over my face. I'm doing a little bit of skincare because even though you're using affordable products, skincare matters a lot. Then I'm taking this Palmer's oil and I'm going to apply it all over my face. So I'm just dropping a couple of drops of that and then massaging it into my skin so that my skin is nice and moisturized. Next up, I'm going to be doing one of my favorite hacks by taking the Essence I Love Stage Primer. I'm going to apply it to all of the areas that I generally crease the most. That's going to be my under eyes, around my smile lines, my forehead, as well as my nose. And then I'm just going to blend all of this out. Now what this will do is it will make sure that my makeup stays in place. I don't need to apply an external primer, but I can just use this and it will also give a hint of color to my skin and a bit of coverage, as you can see right here, which is beautiful. You can go out like this as well. I've shown this in a couple of my videos. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Lakme Perfecting Foundation, which is one of the only foundation I feel like which really works for my skin. So I'm just going to blend it out with the PAC sponge. PAC sponge is under 500 as well. So yeah, I'm just blending out that foundation all over my face, ensuring that my face has even coverage going on. Next up, we have the Avon True Match Concealer and I'm going to apply it to all of the points that I generally apply my concealer, regardless if it's affordable or it's expensive. Somehow I felt like it looks like the concealer sat really heavily on my skin in this video, but it really did not. I really like this concealer. But if you want a liquid concealer, you can also go for the Wet n Wild concealer. I really like it. So once I'm done applying with all of the areas that I need to apply my concealer on, I'm going to take my sponge again and start blending it out. Highlighting with concealer just adds dimension to your face and makes it look more sculpted. So yes, do not skip this step if you want to look ultra glam. So yeah, I'm just blending out all of that concealer into my foundation so there is no demarcation at all. Make sure you spend your time with this step as it is really crucial. Like anything that has to do with the base, just make sure you spend more time on it because it deserves that time. Once my blending is complete, I'm going to take my contouring palette powder and I'm just going to pick up the yellow shade and I'm going to set all of the concealed areas into place so they do not budge, smudge, nothing at all. And then I'm going to take the bronzing side. I'm going to bronze my face to bring some color back to my face. I love bronzing. So I'm bronzing on my jawline as well as my cheekbones just to ensure that I have nice and sculpted face going on. Then taking the Miss Clay highlighter and with the sponge, I'm just going to apply it on my face. What this will do is it will absorb any excess glitter that the highlighter might have and just give my skin a nice and natural glow. I've recently started doing this and I really like using my sponge for it. Again, just going in all of the general areas that I like to highlight before going in with my blush. For my blush, I'm using the Maybelline Cheeky Glow, which has now been renamed to Color Show. They're the same blushes, the same colors, everything. So I'm just blushing up my cheeks, and once I'm done with the blush, I'm going to spritz my face again with the rose water. And then for eyebrows, I'm using my Essence Eyebrow Stylist. I really like Essence eyebrow products. So I'm just using an angled brush again under 250 rupees. Oh, sorry, 500, but yeah, this is under 250 as well. This is from PAC as well. So I'm just sculpting out my brows to ensure they have nice shape to it, and then I'm gonna take this gel from Essence as well. This is the complete dupe for the Benefit Gimme Brow, and you can just use that. Taking the same bronzer shade, I'm putting it in my crease to add some dimension to my crease before going in with the other colors that I'll be putting in my crease. And I'm going to be using a Wet n Wild trio. I love Wet n Wild eyeshadows and I'm using this one. It's a beautiful trio and I'm using the center shade right here and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid as a base shadow before popping on this Essence eyeshadow like a single shadow, and I'm just going to pop it on my eyelid as well to give it a nice glow. And then I'm going to be taking the highlighting shade and I'm going to apply it on my brow bone as well as in my inner corners to just make sure my eyes look sculpted as well. Then I'm going to take the star of the show, that's going to be the soft Kajal from Blue Heaven, and I'm going to apply it to my waterline and I'm going to take it really down as well before smudging it in with this quad again from Blue Heaven. I'm going to use the green color and I'm going to smudge as well as set my liner in place so that it stays wherever it is supposed to stay, and it literally stayed on for the next day as well. I'm just going to brush through my eyelashes because I have eyelash extensions, but they're amazing mascaras under 500 rupees, so you can check that out. Using an L18 lipstick, I'm just going to apply it on my lips. It's a bright, fun color. I will have all of the details in the bottom bar for you guys, but I felt like it needed a little something extra, so I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick, and I'm just going to top off my lips with this lipstick. It just adds a little bit of lightness to it, like it's very similar to the other color, but it's slightly lighter. And with that, I finished my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really like this look, and you can literally just customize the waterline shade according to your outfit or jewelry. Like you can see, mine matches to my jewelry. So yeah, you can literally just modify it. You can wear a purple, a blue, a green, whatever you prefer. You can also go for black, but I really like the pop of color. It's very summery with the brighter lips as well. Like I've been doing nude lips for a while, so I felt like we needed bright lips in our life. So yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. You can also check out my social media in the bottom bar below. I would love to hang out with you there as well. And I will see you next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.